Hi students, how are you? I hope all of you are great. Today, teacher is going to teach you about subtraction with regrouping. Let us see the first method to solve the subtraction with regrouping. Example 1. 24 minus 9. First, we must write the number sentence in a vertical form. 24 minus 9. Once we write the numbers in a vertical form, we may start count from ones. This is the ones place. 4 minus 9. Can we minus the big number from the smaller number, students? Can't. So, we must borrow from the tens place. In a tens, we have 2. So, before 2 is 1. The 2 will borrow 1 for the 4. So, now this is 14. Students, we don't have 14 fingers. So, you may use any object or you may use your fingers to count from 9. Here, teacher teach you how to count by using your fingers. After 9 is 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So how many fingers do we have now, students? Yes, it is 5. So 14 minus 9 is 5. And here we don't have anything to minus. So we just drop the 1 down. The answer for 24 minus 9 is 15. Do you understand, students? Let us see example 2. 41 minus 17. The first step is, yes, we must write the number sentence in a vertical form. 41 minus 17. We must write the 17 from the place value of ones. Then we write the number in a place value of tens. Once you write the numbers in a vertical form, you may start to count from the ones. 1 minus 7. Can you minus the big number from 1? Can't. So we must borrow from the tens place. In a tens place, we have 4. So before 4 is 3. And the other one, it gives to the 1. Now this is 11. 11 minus 7. Here we don't have 11 fingers. So we must start to count from 7. After 7 is 8, 9, 10, 11. Once we get 11, we must stop and count how many fingers do we get. Students, how many fingers are there? 4. So the answer is 4. Now in tens, we have 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1 is 2. So the answer for 41 minus 17 is 24. Do you understand, students? Let us see the third example. 60 minus 35. First, we must write the number sentence in vertical form. 60 minus, we must start write the 35 from ones and then come to the tens. Once done, we must start count from ones place value. Students, 0 minus 5. Can we minus 5 from the 0? We can't. So we must borrow from the tens place. Once we borrow 1 from 6, we get 5. And the other one we borrow to the ones. Now here we have 10. So 10 minus 5. After 5 is 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we must stop until 10. Students, how many fingers do we have now? Yes, we have 5. So the answer is 5. And in tens we have 5 minus 3. 5 minus 3 we get 2. So the answer is 25. Do you understand, students? Now teacher is going to teach you the second method on solving the subtraction with regrouping. First example is 32 minus 15. In this second method, we must make the second number as a round number, which is 15. Nearest the 15 is 20. So to make the 15 20, we must plus 5. When we plus this number with 5, we must plus the front number also with 5. Once we plus, we must write the number after we plus to the original number. For example, 32 plus 5, we get 37. Minus 15 plus 5, we get 20. Do you understand, students? Once we write the number sentence after plus 5 in each number, we must start to solve this new number sentence. We must minus the numbers in ones place value. In 37, 7 is in ones place value. In 20, 0 is in ones place value. So now, students, 7 minus 0, we get 7. Correct. Then we move to the tens place value. 3 minus 2, we get 1. So the answer for 32 minus 15 is 17. Is this easy method, students? Yes, it is. Let us see the example 2. 50 minus 28. Students, what do we need to do first? Correct. Yes, this 28 must make it as 30 because 28 is nearest to 30. So to get 30, we must plus 2. After that, yes, the 50 also we must plus 2. Then we must write the number after plus 2. 50 plus 2 we get 52 minus 28 plus 2 we get 30. Yes, do you understand, students? Now we are going to solve this method. 2 minus 0. Students, 2 minus 0, we get 2. Correct. Next is 5 minus 3. What's the answer, students? Yes, it is 22. So the answer for 50 minus 28 is 22. Do you understand, students? I hope all of you have understand today's lesson. Try to do more revision on this topic. Thank you.